In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Somfy remote. This is for my Sunsetter, but it might be the same for if you have a different brand. And all you have to do, well, first of all, this is a 74300, but this process should be the same for other remotes. There is a Phillips screw right here. You got to take that all the way out. And, oh, well, that just fell right off. But typically, what you need to do is just click it down like this, one click, and then it will come off. And your battery is right here. You might be able to get this out somehow, but it is a little tricky. So what I'm going to use is a toothpick. I want to use a piece of wood. I don't want to put any metal in here because you could mess up the circuit board. So right here, there's a little slot. I'm just going to hold it like this and push it out like that. And this battery is a DL2430, and I got CR2430 to replace it. The CR and the DL just indicates what brand, basically. Like this is a Durasol, so it's DL, and then this is Tenergy, but it's a CR. That's kind of the standard for these batteries. So I got this 5-pack, so I'll basically never run out. And these packs, they make them very solid right now. That's why they have this mark right here where you can cut it. And the reason they do this is because kids tend to swallow these sometimes, and there's all kinds of issues with that. So now they seal it up nice. So you take your new battery and you just feed it in just the same way that it came out, like that. Make sure it's in all the way. And then you can take your cover, put it on just like that, and then clip it up. Take your screw and put your screw back in. Tighten it up, and should be all set. If you can hear that noise, that's my Sunsetter going out. So, if you needed to do this, hopefully the video helped. Thanks for watching.